Alright, I did a Walmart haul. I had to get some medicine and soap, so it's cheaper than Amazon. And again, Walmart. It is Walmart. So let's start. I got some Gain. This is dish soap. It's only 98 cents for that many ounces. 8. Then I get this B complex, this sublingual liquid, and I take this every day. It says 59 doses. So, yeah, that lasts me a little while. And then the, Pepto-Bismol, because my stomach, it's starting to feel some better. But it's not completely, which I have IBS in, anyway, and acid reflux. So, I get those flare-ups. Taco seasoning, I get the 25% less sodium. I had saw that the pumpkin little muffins was in, and I guess it's not, but it's on the website that it's in, and they substituted it for these honey bun mini muffins. I don't know if I'm going to like them or not. I don't really want those, but what can you do? That's what they substituted. And when I went to the substitute part, the substitute to say, this is what you can substitute for, because they got that, and it said that it couldn't be substituted. So why did they substitute it then? I don't know. Okay, I got this sliced brioche cinnamon bread, because I have a recipe that sounds good for, let me see, it's called, I got my recipes here, if I can find it. Okay, here we go. Brioche French toast casserole. I found that online. The happy mustard seed. But anyways, I was just looking online, searching, and this showed up, and I'm like, man, that probably is going to be good. So I found this with the cinnamon already in it. So I'm gonna try to make that. See how it turns out. I got my Wonder Bread. Got some little bite-sized, well, they gave me red potatoes. I wanted Natalie with the purple potatoes. The potatoes that I got before, they went bad fast. So, I had to buy some more. They gave me red potatoes, but it's fine. For what I need it for, it's fine. I just like those little purple potatoes. If you've never tried them, they're good. I got 4 Kickstart pineapple, orange, mango. It's okay, but there are other flavors I like better, like the orange and the grape, but it's not bad. But they only have that one. And then this the peach mango V8 energy I like better than the other one I got. It's pomegranate blueberry, but I mean, it's good, but I like the peach mango better. I got 3, let me see. I know I got French style too, because I like these green beans better. Okay, so I got 2 French style, no salt green excuse me, green beans. And then there were no salt, regular cut green beans. Because I can add my own salt. And I got some sliced black olives because I was out, and look what they did. They gave me a dented can. I gotta get a hold of them. And another dented can of the tomatoes and okra and corn. I'm thinking I have 2 pork chops left in the freezer. So I'm thinking, I'm sorry, you hear my cat, my boy cat. I know, he's saying I see all the food. Anyway, I'm thinking about making some fried pork chops. With the last 2 that I have left. I got some diced green tomatoes and green chilies. The rotel is what it is. I got some sliced mushrooms and some sweet stew chicken and dumplings for days I don't feel like cooking. Minced garlic, pink Himalayan salt grinder. This is for a recipe. I've never used Himalayan salt. I've seen other people use it. Banana pepper rings, mild. That's for a recipe. Cream style corn. I'll tell y'all what I'm going to use some of these for in a little bit. I like to open up these Glory collard greens. They're already seasoned. You just heat them up. I do add vinegar to mine because I like vinegar in mine. But, I mean, then the clean and the chop and the make your own. I only do that on special occasions like the holidays when the kids are coming over. Now, the cream style corn is for, and the banana peppers is for the easy cornbread chicken casserole. It calls for Montreal chicken seasoning, but Montreal, but Walmart didn't have any. So I'm just going to use my poultry seasoning. It should be fine. Or use seasoned salt. I'll see between the two. What's in it? Okay, I got 2 Crescent Rolls. I already have plenty of cream cheese because I'm going to be making these Crescent Roll cheese Danish that I've seen on the Country Cook. I got some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to be making some homemade Alfredo sauce. And I think I need a heavy whipping cream for another recipe. So I just went on and got the big one. And whole strawberries and blueberries. I got the frozen ones because that goes into the brioche French toast casserole too. Cream cheese, not cream cheese, sour cream. Pepper jack cheese, which goes into the yeah, that goes in the cornbread casserole too. Parmesan cheese. Now I got it. The one recipe calls for let me see which one it is. I can't. I don't know. I'll have to look through the recipe. Oh, here we go. The homemade Alfredo sauce calls for as Ashigo. I don't know how to pronounce that. Romano, and Parmesan cheese. It calls for all of them. So I went on and got 2 bags that has a blend of all of it to go in there. And then when I make my, because I'm going to be making a chicken Alfredo, I got some 5 cheese Texas toast. That toast is good if you haven't tried it. I'm going to make that to go with that. Mild cheddar I'm going to be making the 1 pan taco mac that I saw Fallon I can't even think, on Moss Family TV. You know what I'm talking about. Fallon, people know Fallon. She made this the other day and it looked really good and she said it was good. So I'm going to make that 1 pot taco mac. And that calls for cheddar cheese. I got Salisbury steak, Stouffer's, and Stouffer's Swedish meatballs. And then I can open a can of green beans to go with them. Those are good for days I don't feel like cooking. I like their bacon, egg, and cheese croissants. Once in a while I get these, not very often, but I do like them. And then they have vanilla Coke still, so I went on and got that while they have it, because I like their vanilla Coke. Well, Coca-Cola's vanilla Coke. I like the Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I only like Canada Dry Ginger Ale. I don't like any other ginger ale. It's just too strong or just don't taste right to me. 24 pack of Mountain Dew. I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee, so I have 1 Mountain Dew and when I wake up. So I think that's it on the haul.